Okay, here it is. The Amaran 150C. Had to get myself one because everybody is talking about how amazing these lights are. So we're gonna see if that is true. I really like the box that it comes with. It's like, it's not styrofoam, but it's kind of got that styrofoam feel. And it's also got these little clips in the front here, which is nice. So let's open it on up. See what we got inside. Dang. I love the way that looks. Holy crap. So this is the main event right here. Look at that. This thing's actually kind of big. I didn't realize it was gonna be this big, but it makes sense because it's kind of expensive. Look at the front here, or I guess the back. It's got all these little knobs. And what's really cool, you can control this with an app that it comes with. So that's awesome. I'm really excited to dive into that. On here is the, ooh, I love the color. So this is the piece that goes on the front to keep the light a little more concentrated. And inside you've got that shiny interior, which I really, really like. That's super cool. You've got all the information. No one reads that. What else we got? Got the power cable. And the rest of the power cable. It also comes with this, which I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe to like hang it or something, I don't know. I don't really like that. How do I take it off? I think it unscrews. Not sure. We'll deal with that later. And that looks like that's all of it. That's everything in the box. Cool. All right, let's see what this thing can do. All right, this is what it looks like set up. It's plugged in right now. Turn it on down here on the bottom. Press the power button. Turn up the intensity. So this is at 2%, which is wild. Like, look at that. That's 13%. It's 25%. Like, that emits so much light. That is insane. Let's get it to, that's 50%. Insane. Look at that. It's freaking crazy. You can also change like the temperature if you want it to be a little more warm, if you want to make it darker. It's also got other colors too, but I'm still learning how to use all that. This thing is insane. I'm so excited to like learn how to use it. Like, check that out. Got that red. What? That's so cool. Turn down the temperature. Turn down the intensity. Now it's purple, blue. Whoo, hoo, hoo. Oh my gosh. Turquoise, green. This is awesome. This is definitely gonna be my favorite light. If you wanna get yourself an awesome light like this, you know exactly where to go.